Hey everyone, it's Sergio with the RideShare Guy. So, LAX, pretty busy obviously due to Thanksgiving holiday travel season. So I'm seeing a $19 surge. So let's go online, let's see if this thing is real or not. Okay, it's real. Seems like it's real, but now let's go to the passenger app and let's check it out. What the pricing is going to be from LAX to my house. Oh, while we're at it, Lyft just went up to $6.50. So, which one would you prefer? Let's see how many drivers there are in queue at Lyft. It's $6.50. About 50 drivers according to the LAX queue. Yep. And let's see how many there are on Uber. About 116 to 120 cars, 47 flights coming in. So this is all valuable information you guys need to pay attention to when you're doing airport trips. Still holding at 19. So everybody's picking up the 19 sticky. Now it depends on getting a trip. Let's see what it's going to cost me to go home from LAX on both apps. Okay. UberX priced at $59.94. Comfort priced at $68. There is something wrong with this picture. If the driver is getting paid 19 surge, how's Uber pricing this at 60? Something goofy happening here. How did that work out for you guys? So the lesson today is always price a trip if the trip is priced abnormally low, including the 19 sticky surge. That means it's about to disappear. So if you grabbed it for those couple of minutes, you grabbed it. If you didn't, tough luck. Let's price a trip on the Lyft app. There's the difference. $89 on Lyft. $59 on Uber. Uber did the switcheroo. No surge. Same 116 to 120 cars. Very interesting.